Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious nachos in a simple way. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need a generous bag of sturdy tortilla chips, approximately 6 ounces, to form the perfect foundation. Next, prepare about 1 pound of your preferred protein, like seasoned ground beef or a hearty vegetarian option. Don't forget 8 ounces of a melty cheese blend, such as cheddar and Monterey Jack, along with fresh toppings like diced onions and sliced jalapenos. Now, let's build those layers. Begin by spreading about half of your tortilla chips in a single, even layer across a large baking sheet. This ensures every chip gets some love. Next, generously sprinkle half of your seasoned protein and half of your shredded cheese over these chips. Then, add the remaining chips, followed by the rest of your protein and cheese. Finally, scatter your diced onions and jalapenos evenly across the top for a burst of flavor. It's time to get those nachos perfectly melty and warm. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Once hot, carefully place your baking sheet of assembled nachos inside. Bake for approximately 8 to 12 minutes. Keep a close eye on them. You want the cheese to be beautifully bubbly and melted, with the chips just slightly toasted, but not burnt. The goal is a golden brown, irresistible finish. Your incredible nachos are almost ready. Carefully remove the baking sheet from the oven and let them rest for just about 1 minute. This brief cooling period helps the cheese set slightly. Now, it's time for the grand finale. Add your favorite fresh toppings like a dollop of sour cream, a scoop of creamy guacamole, or a sprinkle of fresh cilantro. Serve them immediately while they're warm and gooey. Enjoy every single bite of your perfectly crafted, easy nachos.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.